With that being said, take a look at this.
Paycation Travel has put together a compensation plan that will pay you more than 20 different ways. This compensation plan is one of the most unique, creative, and lucrative plans ever designed in the industry. Now you can share the wonderful benefits of travel with friends, coworkers, and family members, and earn commissions and bonuses in the process. First, you get paid when friends and family visit and book travel on your travel website. You can earn 65 to 75% of the commissions paid. That includes hotels, vacation packages, car rentals, cruises, concert tickets, and so much more. Next, you get paid to share the Paycation experience with friends. Whether you're looking for part-time income or a full-time opportunity, there's something in the Paycation compensation plan for everyone. Let's start with our weekly commissions. Let's say you share Paycation with just 3 friends, Barbara, Kim, and Nancy, who each purchase a certified travel consultant package. Paycation will pay you a $50 direct sales commission for each consultant that you personally enroll through Infinity. Beginning with your 3rd personally enrolled consultant, Nancy, in this example, Paycation will now pay you an additional coded bonus of $20. Much like your DNA, individuals who are coded to you are forever attached to you. You earn a $20 coded bonus for each and every consultant that you personally enroll from your 3rd person and beyond. Once again, through Infinity. But that $20 coded bonus is not only paid to the consultants that you personally enroll, Nancy and Mark, it's also paid on each of their first 2 consultants, and the first 2 consultants that they enroll, and the first 2 consultants that they enroll through Infinity. When the people who are personally enrolled and directly coded to you begin to receive their coded bonuses, you earn a 100% match of their coded bonuses each week. For example, if Nancy earns $100 in coded bonuses for the week, you earn a 100% match. That's $100 for you. If Mark earns $200 in coded bonuses for the week, you earn a 100% match. That's $200 for you. The question is, how many people do you want to earn matches from? Because there is no limit to the amount of people you can personally enroll in Paycation. You may have thought that we'd forgotten about the first 2 people that you enrolled, Barbara and Kim. They are very important to establishing the proper foundation for your business. Why? Because you earn a 150% match each and every time they earn a coded bonus. So every time Barbara and Kim earns a $20 coded bonus, you earn $30. Amazing! Let's talk about the monthly residual income available in the Paycation opportunity. Paycation has more than 6 streams of residual income, each paid together on the 15th of the month, and is one of the most lucrative residual compensation plans of its kind in existence today. Your monthly subscription fee for your Paycation business is only $69.95. That's right, for less than the price of a full tank of gas, you have a fully operational, online, home-based travel business with no inventory and no products to stockpile. Every time individuals who are coded to you pay their $69.95 monthly subscription fee, that will trigger a residual income to you, $3.20. Initially dozens, and then hundreds, and over time possibly thousands of consultants will be coded to you, with you earning $3.20 from each and every one. 100% matches are just unheard of these days, but in Paycation, we reward you financially for helping other people succeed. You earn a 100% match on each and every personally enrolled consultant's residual coded income, each and every month. Let's go back and take a look at Nancy. You personally enrolled Nancy, and she is an active, certified travel consultant. Let's put a footnote and define active. A consultant who has paid his or her $69.95 monthly subscription fee. Certified Travel Consultant, CTC, a consultant who has completed the Paycation Online Travel Certification, included in the $149.95 CTC enrollment package, and who has enrolled 1 consultant. Let's say Nancy has 100 active consultants in her organization who are each paying their $69.95 monthly subscription fee each month, earning Nancy $320. $3.20 times 100 active consultants. You will earn a matching 100%, or $320 each month from Nancy alone. Again, there are no limits to the amount of individuals you can earn 100% matches from. For anyone looking to really maximize the potential of the amazing Paycation compensation plan, Paycation has also put together a Business Builder bonus. Beginning with your 7th personally enrolled consultant and beyond, Paycation will pay you an additional $2 per person of residual income. Then, that $2 bonus is paid on that person's first 6 personally enrolled consultants and that person's first 6 enrollments through infinity. Have you ever been in the business before where it seemed like only the big recruiters could win? Well, in Paycation, we have a 3x7 forced matrix that allows everyone to win financially, regardless of whether you are a top builder with industry experience or you have a full-time job and are just interested in supplementing your income. Everyone wins in Paycation. In the 3x7 forced matrix, 3 people, maximum, can appear on your first level, and the matrix pays through 7 levels. The number of people that can appear on each level grows by a multiple of 3 for each level in depth in the matrix. The first 3 consultants that you enroll would occupy the first 3 available spaces on level 1 of your matrix. These positions are important because as your matrix grows, these original 3 consultants will help contribute to filling your matrix. Your matrix will grow from your own personal efforts, the efforts of your first 3 consultants, and from consultants who appear soon after, whether you enrolled them or not. This is true teamwork at its best, a community effort. And here's how the matrix pays out. The matrix pays $2 of residual income per person for each consultant on level 1. That's $6. $6 per person is paid for each consultant appearing on level 2. That's $54. So far, by working as a team, you're earning $60 of residual income from the matrix. As your matrix continues to grow, more and more income is available. $2 per person of residual income is paid on levels 3 and 4. But as if it couldn't get any better, Paycation pays an unheard of $8 per person for every consultant appearing on levels 5, 6, and 7, where the majority of new consultants will appear. More than $25,000 per month is available in residual income from the matrix. And remember, this is on top of all the other dynamic residual income compensation streams. Paycation continues to reward you for helping others become successful by paying a 10% match on each personally enrolled consultant's matrix earnings. When Nancy earns $1,500 in matrix commissions, you'll earn $150. When Mark earns $5,000 in matrix commissions, you'll earn $500. And as always, there is no limit to the amount of matches you can earn. More residual income is paid by Paycation through the coded matrix match. An 8% coded matrix bonus is paid on each person coded to you, regardless of where they appear in your matrix and regardless of their depth. Let's say that Haley is coded to you and appears on level 10 of your matrix. If Haley earns $2,000 in matrix residual income, you earn $160. Paycation has made going to the next level fun and simple. Complete the online certification course and enroll 1 person, and you are a certified travel consultant. And now unlock levels 1 through 4 of the matrix. Enroll 3 consultants and you are now executive with Paycation, and you have unlocked levels 1 through 5 of the matrix. Enroll just 3 more consultants for a total of 6 and you are a regional executive and have unlocked levels 1 through 6 of the matrix for even more income, and you're now qualified to earn the 10% matrix matching bonus. You achieve the level of national executive when you enroll 10 consultants and can now earn income from all 7 levels of the matrix. Plus, you're now qualified for the Business Builder bonuses. Paycation understands that many are looking for financial security and are willing to help others reach their goals in the process. So when you enroll a total of 15 consultants and help 3 consultants in 3 different legs achieve the rank of national executive, you become an international executive. And on top of all the other bonuses and commissions, will begin earning an additional $600 lifestyle bonus per month, guaranteed. Lifestyle bonuses are paid from the $69.95 monthly subscription fee overhead, and consultants must maintain the appropriate qualifications to receive lifestyle bonuses. Maybe you want to buy a new car, put extra money away for retirement, or pay off some debt. With your Paycation's lifestyle bonuses, you choose how to spend your earnings. Help more people make more money. Enroll 20 consultants personally and help 3 consultants in 3 different legs of business achieve the rank of international executive. And you are now a presidential executive and will earn a $1,000 per month lifestyle bonus. Paycation continues to find ways to make this the most complete and rewarding compensation compensation plan ever designed with generational team bonuses. Team bonuses pay $5 to $25 per new team member depending on your rank between National Executive and International Diamond. This is an amazing incentive for those of you who want to build a large team, and it's paid weekly. Paycation Travel wants to reward those who really go all out and build large organizations and help lots of people. The Diamond Bonus Program was designed to provide financial security and an amazing lifestyle to committed leaders and builders. Diamond bonuses begin with just 300 people active in your organization. You are now an Executive Diamond and begin earning a $1,000 lifestyle bonus on top of all of your other earnings. Grow a team of 500 or more and you are now a Regional Diamond, earning a $2,000 monthly lifestyle bonus. You now have momentum and your team will expand to 1,500, and you have become a National Diamond and now earn an extra $5,000 per month, the equivalent of $60,000 per year of extra income. We have Diamond lifestyle bonuses that go all the way up to $500,000 per month. No matter what your financial dreams and goals are, you can reach them with Paycation Travel. Now, get back with the person who invited you to watch this presentation and tell them that you're ready to take you and your family's life to the next level with Paycation Travel. Welcome aboard.